Let's start by creating a new metric part file, rectangle 700 by 400. I'll come up to the line command and at center, drop a line down 100, enter, accept, return, and I'll come to this endpoint, place a line out to this edge, right mouse click to finish, and another line out to this edge. So I want two separate lines here. Come down to this bottom corner, this midpoint, and back to this bottom corner, right mouse click to finish, and then I'll come up to fillet. Identify these two lines and place a fillet at 150. Then I'll save my part file as coping. Enter. Come up to my application button, new, assembly of active model. I'll open my frame environment, home, frame. And I'd like this corner treatment option. OK. I'll come over to my folder here, DIN, and I would like to place an I-beam. Take this first option, 80 by 46, and select these outside edges. And green check mark. Now when I spin this around, I notice there's a gap in here. So let's fix that by going to our frame options, options, and I'm going to turn on coping on non-mitered joints. Now watch what happens to this gap here when I hit apply. It's filled in. So I'll accept that and finish. Fit my view. And let's go to view and change the color of these two pieces. I'll change those to yellow clear. Escape. I'll go back home, open up my frame commands again, and I'll just take the defaults here. And now I'd like to place two separate pieces across here. So I'll come up to my folder, DIN, and I'd like to place C channel. So I'll open C channel and take the 30 by 15, double click. I want this as two pieces, green check mark. Now, I'd actually like this C channel to be flipped the other way. So let's come up here to our options, green check mark, and right here, flip cross section. And watch how that flips that around to the opposite side. Again, this is just a toggle. Just flips this back and forth.